Hey! You see Otis? Otis was coming to say hi. What does the duck say, Maggie? What does the duck say? Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Huh? Oh, what are you doing sticking your leg down through there? That's not going to feel very good. Daddy's going to have to come save you. Or not. Hey, Maggie. Hey. Huh?